so I'm going to show it again. And we've talked about tomatoes in pots on the ground, patio pots, that kind of thing. This is a tomato that is suitable for a hanging basket or a smaller container. And some people are like, well, I don't even have a place to put a pot. I said, well, you can hang a basket outside somewhere. So I'm just going to take a couple of tablespoons of that garden fertilizer, sprinkle it around over the soil, stir it in real quick, and it doesn't have to get all the way through, but just so it's not piled up in one area. And these are Sweet and Neat is the name of the tomato. They're very short and broad growing, so actually it'll come over the edge of the basket like you would think a basket plant should. And this is a yellow one, and I've already got blossom starting on it, so it won't be long till it begins to produce even. And I'm just going to put 2 in here though, because they do get pretty good size, probably 12 to 18 inches across on each one. So if I got 2 of them in there, it's going to be a nice big basket. And I'm going to put them close together. 2 reasons. One, I want them to spread out more evenly over the pot because I'm not planting in an odd number. And generally, to the eye, the odd number looks best. So if I have to do 2, if I put them right together, they're kind of 1. So, and the other thing that's nice too, when you plant them close like that, the branches will intermingle as they grow, so you'll have red and yellow tomato mixed as well. I used one of these moss baskets. The beauty of that moss basket, if you've used cocoa liners, that browner stuff, when you water, as soon as you start watering, it's already running out the bottom. These moss liners, that liner, once I water it, it's going to swell up to probably 3/4 to an inch thick. And every time I water, it holds water and it doesn't let it drain through as much. So much more effective for a container than those cocoa liners. Comes in several sizes. You can also cut it to fit if you've got a weird shaped pot or anything. But just put the hanger on there, and that's going to be a neat little dwarf tomato.
While you're there.
Click the subscribe button and you'll be in the know with videos about gardening, decorating, and even more. For updates on everything happening at Stutzmans and a few giggles, like us on Facebook.